Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python tutorial. In this video we're going to look at part 3 of our quiz series, which is finishing touches. Now I mainly want to look at three things. The first one is a welcome menu, the second one is a time library, and the last one is laying out our quiz. So let's start with the first welcome menu. The way we're going to do this is have an input name, which is a string. So there we go. And we're just going to ask, what's your name? Okay, so we have a variable name, that's an input, and with that we're going to print a welcome menu. So just a simple welcome line that says welcome, and then we can have the name. So concatenate the string name and then space to the quiz. Okay, so that's our very simple welcome menu done. Now the next thing is importing the library time. So up here at the very top we can import time, and what this does is basically allows you to do delays. So after each question we're going to do a delay and then print out the options so that the reader has time to see the questions and then he gets the options. So we're going to do time.sleep, which is the way you do the delay, and we're going to do it for 0.5 seconds. I'm going to copy this and paste it into the other two questions as well. And there we go. Okay, so at this point let's just quickly test the program. Okay, what's your name? I'll input that. So as you saw, it gave a little delay and then it printed out the options. So we've done the welcome and we've done the time. Now our last thing is to lay out our program. And what I mean by this is just space out the program because it looks a bit congested at the moment. So the way we can do this is at the beginning of each question we can create a new line, and at the end of each option we can create a new line so that it looks more spaced out. So the way we do a new line is \n, and we're going to do that at the beginning of the question and at the end of the options. And I'm going to do this for all of the questions, and make sure that you have the \n within the speech marks. So there's our last one, and there we go. Okay, so guys, let's test our final version. So what's your name? Karthik. Welcome. It had a nice time delay and now it's spaced out. So B, well done, that's correct. Next question, and then our last question, and there we go. There's our wonderful program. Congratulations, you've done an amazing job with the program. So that's the end of the quiz. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.